Now let us discuss phosphorus cycle. Phosphorus plays a vital and important role in living organisms. Why? There are a lot of ATPs, ADPs, energy currency of cell, DNA, and we know that bones are made up of calcium phosphate. Phosphorus is there. Phosphorus in the form of phosphates are necessary for the growth and the maintenance of animal bones and teeth. It is one of the most important elements required by plants for their growth. It is a constituent of nucleic acid, phospholipids, ATP, and ADP. The main reservoirs of phosphorus are rocks and other deposits. From this, phosphorus is made available to the living organisms by a slow process of weathering of the rocks. Phosphorus is absorbed by the plant through their root system in its oxidized form as phosphate, where it get incorporated into different phosphorus containing compounds. From plants, phosphorus find its way to other living organisms. Secondly, my dear students, the decomposition, that is the decay of dead organisms and plant, releases the phosphorus content back to the soil, which is again recycled. Some phosphorus find its way to the water bodies. In ocean, the phosphorus is consumed by fishes and seabirds, and any excess phosphorus is deposited into the sediments. In fresh water, the phytoplanktons, you all know phytoplanktons, these are floating algae, absorb soluble inorganic phosphate and convert them into organophosphate. The algae are eaten by zooplankton, which are small fishes, which are again eaten by aquatic big fishes. Then the aquatic animals, after their death and decay by microorganisms, settle to the bottom of water. Finally, the microorganisms releases phosphate into the water bodies and cycle continues. Now, like in oxygen cycle, there is imbalances. In case of phosphorus cycle, there is a problem associated with the presence of excess of phosphate fertilizers. This increase in the nutrients by agriculture runoff in the water bodies is called eutrophication. These nutrients, particular phosphorus, cause population explosion of photosynthetic bacteria and blue-green algae. With the passage of time, the whole of the lake or pond is converted by a thick layer of algae, resulting in the depletion of the availability of oxygen. Thus, this results in the death of algae, bacteria, and fish. So, my dear students, you first noticed the flow chart of phosphorus cycle and flow sheet of phosphorus cycle in water bodies. Here, in case of flow chart, you found source of phosphorus and sink of phosphorus. In case of flow sheet of phosphorus cycle in water bodies, you got how phosphorus assimilate in the water bodies, and in excess it creates problem. Thanks.